want to make it clear that the funds provided by the government for the trucking of water, the water that the government is providing must be provided to the consumers free of cost. There is no charge associated with the trucking of water. And the water that is being provided is for domestic use only. The question was asked about car washing facilities. The National Water Commission, I am sure, will be monitoring those facilities, and so too is the municipal corporations, to ensure that whatever water is used in the washing of motor vehicles are not the precious commodity that we are struggling right now to find in our pipes across the country. So I want to make it clear that the funding that has been provided by government is to give free water to the various communities across Jamaica where trucking is taking place. And persons who are experiencing those problems are asked to call the ministry or call their municipal corporations, or to take down the license number of the truck and send it here, because we are not going to allow persons to exploit the problems that people are facing by doing something which is illegal.